We may think of icebergs as exciting and interesting things to see, but they are a great danger to ocean vessels when they drift into shipping routes. One of the greatest disasters at sea took place when the Titanic struck an iceberg on the night of April 14, 1912, and 1,513 people lost their lives. An iceberg is a piece of glacier that has broken off. This happens where the glaciers push down valleys until they reach the sea. The end of the glacier breaks off there and forms a floating iceberg. Some glaciers do not reach the open sea but end in deep-sided valleys called fjords. The icebergs float down to the ocean from these fjords. In the case of some glaciers, the ends are worn or melted back by the waves. This leaves a big foot of ice submerged below the surface of the water. Such ice sheets break off from time to time and rise suddenly to the surface as icebergs. Icebergs vary greatly in size. Small ones were up to 5 to 10 meters across and are often called growlers by seamen. But icebergs which measure over 100 meters are very common, and there have been some great giant bergs that seen measured over 1,000 meters across. The ice in icebergs is only 8/9 as heavy as seawater, so that only 1/9 of the iceberg sticks above the water level and 8/9 is below where it can't be seen. So, a berg rises 45 meters above the sea may extend to 300 meters below. The amount of ice in the iceberg is almost unbelievable. Did you know that many of them weighed as much as 1,800,000 tons? Because icebergs extend so far below the surface of the ocean, they don't drift with the winds but instead follow the ocean currents. Eventually, most icebergs are carried to lower, warmer latitudes when they melt. Very few of them last long after they meet the warm Gulf Stream east of Newfoundland, Canada. But those that do become a menace to ship. That's why the United States Coast Guard maintains an iceberg patrol, that is, to warn the ships of the location of icebergs.